In this short tutorial, you will learn how to get shout-out happy birthday story on Instagram. Celebrating your friend's birthday is a great way to show you care. A shout-out can make them feel special and loved. It's easy to do, and I'll guide you through step by step. To get started, open up the Instagram app. Once you're in the app, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a circular profile icon with a plus sign that says your story. Tap on it. Now that you're in the story section, tap on the camera icon to start creating your birthday shoutout. Next, look for the Create button on the left side of your screen and tap it. This lets you customize a colorful background perfect for celebrating. At this point, you'll notice an option at the bottom right corner of your screen that lets you change colors. Tap on it and browse through various vibrant options until you find one that matches your friend's vibe or favorite color. Now comes one of the most important parts, mentioning your friend. Tap on this button. In the text box that appears, type in your friend's Instagram username or their name. As you type, Instagram will suggest profiles below. Simply select their name from this list when it pops up. With their name now featured in your story, let's make it even more eye-catching. You can add stickers by tapping on the sticker icon at the top of your screen. There are plenty of fun options available. Additionally, consider adding music by tapping on this button. This could be their favorite song or something upbeat that fits a birthday theme. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and sounds, it's time for everyone else to join in on the celebration. Hit this button at the bottom right corner of your screen and publish this delightful birthday shoutout for all of your followers, and especially for that special friend to see. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to create an awesome birthday shoutout story on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.